Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting the small but necessary permission. Go to Settings, Apps, Special Access, then allow display over other apps for the target app. Now open the app you want in a floating window, either long press its icon on the home screen or locate it in recent apps. Once done, make sure your MIUI is up to date because floating behavior differs with versions. These initial steps let the system show the app as a floatable overlay, so you can convert it quickly in the next step. With the app open or visible in recent, tap its app card and choose the floating window icon. This immediately shrinks the app into a movable mini window. Alternatively, long press the app icon on home and pick Open in floating window for quick access. Once the window appears, drag any edge to resize and drag the top handle to reposition. This is why floating is useful, because you can keep reading or watching while using other apps. Make sure gestures won't close it by accident as you rearrange. To finish, use the floating window controls to lock its size or pin it so it stays on top while you navigate other apps. This prevents accidental closure. When done, close the float with the X or swipe it off screen, and you can always reopen from recent apps. If the floating option doesn't appear, recheck display over other apps permission, reboot the phone, and disable aggressive MIUI battery optimizations for that app. These troubleshooting steps resolve most issues quickly, so floating works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.